Welcome back to the channel, and today we are looking at Rocket Launch, a brand new auto staking protocol with the pre-sale coming out tomorrow. Before we do get any further though, remember nothing in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. So Rocket Launch, again, is a brand new auto staking protocol on the Binance Smart Chain. There is a guaranteed fixed APY of 361,000%. That's absolutely insane. You can earn a high interest of 2.27% per day. World-class lock-to-earn protocol, staking and compounding are handled automatically, so each rebase, your investment will automatically compound. DeFi 3.0 multi-chain farming, deflationary mode, so 1% of trading volume is burned. Cash out, so again you convert your crypto back to cash, and security, and it is audited by TechRate. So as we can see, if you go to enter the pre-sale, we can see that their token is RKTL. The pre-sale will be starting tomorrow, July 1st until July 6th at 2 p.m. UTC. This is 5 days, or if they reach their 500,000 USD total pre-sale value, then it will be capped at that. Powered by BNB on the Binance Smart Chain, you can participate using BNB or BUSD. The pre-sale price of the token is 0.125 BUSD, and the minimum limit of pre-sale investment is 100 and the max is 5,000 USD. So we can see the pre-sale countdown coming out in 1 day, 2 hours. You can see your amount received and the hard cap, and then again you can swap BNB or BUSD once this is added. If you look at the dashboard here, you'll be able to see your auto staking performance. So you'll see the token price, total market cap, the APY of your daily profit percent rate of 2.27%, total holders of the token, and then you can see your activity. So your earnings per day converted to dollars, your APY, total earnings, and your balance. So again, you'll be able to do your rebases every single, I think pretty soon. I'll go through the white paper in details, but you can claim today's percentage of 1% to maximize your growth. But again, this is not live yet. You'll be able to see your full account with the pricing, the yield, the sales tax. So we can see there's a 10% buy tax and a 12% sales tax. And again, you can get a daily claim growth to claim your rewards. Then you have your ROI, rate, and US dollars. So inside here, you'll be able to buy and swell. So there is a built-in swap into Rocket Launch, which is very nice. So you can swap your BNB straight into their token. And we do have a calculator as well. So it's a new auto rebase protocol similar to the likes of Titano, I guess, if you're familiar with any of those. Then we have the DEX charts. You can see, of course, the token is not live yet, but you will be able to trade it on there. And yeah, so if we go through the white paper, we can see you can earn 2.27% daily interest, which will be compounding into 361,000% APY. So if the price sustains, $100 would turn into 361,000, which is, it sounds crazy. It's not fully realistic because as the more rebases go, the token price can drop. But depending on how the token price goes, again, your stuff will auto rebase. They have an anti-dump mechanism, which we will go to in shortly. Some of the benefits, again, other tokens offer APYs that fluctuate. You never know how much you will receive. This gives you a fixed rate of 2.27% compounded every single day. The anti-dump mechanism has a max daily cash out limit for holders. Investors cannot dump the coin because there's a strict cash out limit that varies between 1 to 5% per day. This stops the world from dumping all of their tokens. Instead, everyone wins by selling small quantities over time to keep the chart healthy and attractive to new investors. Effortless auto staking. Again, you don't need to move your tokens around. They're staking right from your wallet. You buy Rocket Launch and then they are automatically staked and will compound. The rewards are every 30 minutes, which are your rebases. But again, you don't need to do anything for that. This will automatically compound. Price support, again, there's the buy and sell tax, which was 10% on buy and 12% on sell, and then they are audited. So the tokenomics, we can see again, the daily APR and the annual rate. The anti-dump mechanism, we can see if you hold 1 million tokens, you can only sell 10,000 if your sales limit is 1%. again, you're limited to up to 5% of your cash outs per day. So this, I believe, will vary depending on how the market conditions are, but at most you'll only be able to sell 5% of your tokens per day. So you just need to bear that in mind. Also in the tokenomics again, buy fees at 10%, so you want to put your slippage to 12, and sell fees at 12%, so you want to put your slippage to around 14%. And then here we just have risk insurance funds. Trading fees are held in the insurance funds, which help support the staking and reward. Treasury, the trading fees go into the treasury, which will support this and provide marketing budget and development. The liquidity pool is where the trading fees go for the pair RKTL to BUSD on PancakeSwap. And bonfire burn. Tokens are burned into the bonfire. The more traded, the more tokens are burned, thereby reducing the supply. So again, we do have the pre-sale starting tomorrow with a hard cap of 500,000 BUSD. Again, you can buy this token with BNB or BUSD. And yeah, the amount of tokens for pre-sale purchase is 4 million different tokens. Here we can see the percentages of the token supply. And again, the team will not be holding any tokens. Any tokens will be into the treasury. This liquidity is also locked for 10 years, so there's no rug pulling. No bots, so any front end bots will be blocked if they're trying to get into the pre-sale super fast. And the pre-sale, again, you will be buying the best price. So how does the auto staking work? You basically just buy their token, hold it in your wallet, and it will automatically rebase, so you'll get more of that token. Here we can see if the price stayed the same, with this APY, $100 would turn it into 361,000. Remember, that means the token price stays the same. 99.9% of the time it will not, but there is a small chance, I guess. We've gone through the anti-dump mechanism. Max sales transaction again. Because of the anti-dump mechanism setting 1% sales limit, some transactions can be quite huge of the high APY. So there's also a max cash out. This will be set to $3,000 per day. So no whales can take out more than 1 million per year. So again, if you're investing big funds, remember you can only withdraw 3,000 per day, but that will stop the dumping. Also in the future, Rocket Launch reserves the right to lower the max sales limit to 1,500 per day to present huge dumps. Bonfire burn. So this is removing tokens from supply. That is from 1% of the purchase and sale of tokens will be sent to the burn wallet. Here we have the roadmap, pre-marketing launch, PR marketing, and then again, we basically got the pre-sale, fair launch for the Rocket Launch platform, PancakeSwap listing, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, protocols, YouTube marketing, AMA. And yeah, then they're going to look for some airdrops, bridge over to Polygon, do a V2 dashboard, more partnerships, merchandising, going cross-chain onto other networks. And yeah, that's what they're going to try and do. So how do they back up their high APY? They came up with the idea of their risk insurance and the treasury fund, so they can exponentially increase the insurance fund at a rate 100% per year to better support it with USD. So pretty much as more people buy the token, the treasury is going to basically, in a sense, back all of these tokens to use either buybacks and burns or just provide some more liquidity for it. We can see also the 12% trading fee and 14% sale fee. So these funds will also support the protocol and the liquidity. And of course, the automatic token burning. So that is Rocket Launch, brand new auto staking protocol. If you want to get into the pre-sale of this, again, this is out tomorrow at 2 p.m. UTC. Everything will be linked down below in the description. I would advise still do your own research. Make sure you know what you're getting into. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you on my next video.